They call it the digital divide for a reason. When the pandemic hit and there was basically no internet access for a lot of these students, lack of internet access was a big deal. Working in IT for the Board of Education here, the complaints from parents of having to do assignments online and not having internet access at home was a major thing. I definitely saw how many parents didn't have access, and definitely saw the need in the communities. The internet access that was available was not sufficient, especially apparent when we went through the pandemic.